Spread over an area of 45,000 square feet in the industrial town of Badlapur, approximately 60 kilometers from Mumbai International Airport, AVA Chemicals is recognized as a pioneer in manufacturing chelating agents, micronutrients and fine chemicals. In addition to its own in-house production line, AVA Chemicals also offers GMP and non-GMP facilities for contract manufacturing across 30 different chemical reactions. What started as a family-owned manufacturing business in 1985 is today a professionally driven enterprise backed with a strong team across all functions. AVA Chemicals has a balanced presence across industry segments including personal care, agrochemicals, food ingredients, pharmaceuticals, lab reagents, water treatment, coating and surface treatments, electroplating, oil and gas. The domestic market has been our foundation, and international markets are superstructure. AVA Chemicals products are exported across the globe to over 40 different countries, backed by a strong strategic network of agents and stock points across 6 countries. AVA Chemicals' commitment to providing large portfolio of products, customization of specification, packaging and branding, coupled with consistent product quality and quick turnaround time at value pricing, makes the selection of AVA Chemicals the smart choice. The company's processes have been certified for ISO 9001-2008 and it offers halal and kosher certified products. The company has also been financially certified as SME1 by CRISIL and Dun & Bradstreet. AVA Chemicals has always been driven by a strong sense of enterprise and a flexible business model to suit every client's need. For example, if a client needs our product with their brand and their packaging, or their product idea, our development, their brand and packaging, it can be offered. AVA Chemicals' mission is to be known as an ethical company, providing specialty chemicals to companies who manufacture products which are used in day-to-day life, thus touching the lives of millions of people. Let us together co-create meaningful relationships and touch many lives together. AVA Chemicals, adding value always.